confirm mun defend this ah
mon confirm mun
defend this ah how Koomson Jerry I didn't want to go to a certain stage but because now it allowed me to go there.
You can go there,
yes,
but I would also never allow you to tell me something that I've not done.
No, me can't say why.
What's it? One person defended.
It's like you are defending.
I was be defending.
No,
what kind of argument is that? What can't something you're correct? You're correct. I'll do you are defending. Suddenly, when you're here, why is that we are for so many years? Some of us, what they are tagging us, you are defending. Who would tell the enemy no? There are some that depend on here no crown. Who would tell them no? Or not? So you are defending. Defense is not me one here. Impunity we are because I was we are defending. What kind of defense? The impunity. The American say. What was say? She deserves better. It's like a good year. What some I walk and know. Now see you, one question on one car. Also continue defending. What have I defended? What have I defended? I'm asking you. So answer me. What have I defended?
So we see your a call for money and right.
Now defense no.
Me because the defense na dey.
Because
to my knowledge.
Oh really?
Meaning yes. Jerry.
Jerry at some moment Jerry because what can someone to me?
No, yes, I've seen it.
Defense
you are defending. The person and you defending no. And you defending. The person and you defending.
It's what right the person there.
Jerry, what you obu say makasa anti ma me time.
Answer me before you go ahead.
Me say me say
what say the course wo ho na ye. Me can say ye.
What did I say?
You guys don't do that.
No.
Because I know my money. No. So we are going to sit for these things to continue.
Jerry, so we see the course for and yet, then your defense and your defense match. How Koomson deserve better than what happened. And I'm not saying it from authority, from my own listen. How Koomson the tone is says Haklabatum. How Koomson was a cabanaka oxygen in the sea of Koomson. So if you want me to go there, say how Koomson the tone and no more year on if and now go how Koomson way grow. So go how Koomson way a grow. I'll go how Koomson. I make our own TV that way a grow. How Koomson one Kuntorik, our a Kaswa. How Koomson, I'm a one Kuntorik, our Kaswa. I no credit. Defend. Because I will defend you tell me so you are not defending. I am not oh, you mean oh catch me
because cannot. But as Steve said, why I ready say me correct one.
Who correcting who defended you are defending how Koomson the impunity of how Koomson at the past.
Me pastor what say how about Koomson me yakun to arrest waka.
Yes, I have video here. Make them up pictures more.
What's it on my yakun to arrest?
Ghana for how Koomson impunity bonny what did you want your Ghana and some bonny what did to police station up to pay. Yes, was me and me how Koomson me and one of Busani baby. One of how Koomson baby. One of better your cars and some way over radio so said how Koomson and that time. How Koomson almost Hana Bisu. National Women's Organizer, former MP, former Minister of State, I was West Wagon. I was West Wagon. Why mo?
Go ahead.
Why mo? How Koomson Hana Bisu? I was West Wagon.
I was so a Tobo Nakasabra. Tobo
Sana Mekasa.
Because we can't throw now for
me can't also defending the body level defending the Paponi. You are defending the Paponi.
Remember, won't walk it through lights now. Will pedal no. I am so defending the Paponi. You are in the Paponi. Don't worry. I am also West Wagon. Obia no can you be a young friend or commissioner now? And you answer to my question or you
may
say Obia no can you
ye
one appear before
and you Obia na appear or you Obia na appear commission also can commission inquiry about the white man
best say Ghana
most center for to say Ghana to say we say most say Ghana to say we tell you to say Ghana
can say young boo be near for oxygen so what to me you expect me to keep me
so you also kept me when Hana Bisu and who were beating Hana Bisu
or appear before
and you will never be an appeal commission or George
One appear before commission.
Jerry.
One
so they cannot also kasakeke. Also host keke. Who host ni keke?
The pastor Hanabisu. Ayawa so where's wagon? Na your friend is how comes
na they won't see video na.
Me say Ayawa video west.
Won't see video. Na me say won't see video na. Won't see video. Edem Agbana, former deputy youth organizer of NDC. Hawa Koomson mo ko bunu. Won wan no to TV3 enra. Ade NDC for the eye nipa. Mo de ni emu. Ye free Ghana habits. And tell people for Mona Munipa, Mpuana Mudi Mubia, Jawa Sassi with you. So, when you see here, I will take him myself, or the deal, and you want the Adinipa 8 to 2020 election. Did they see it? You know, when they be defended. Now, how Koomson, I was now you can't. How Koomson one on the one can't. You defend when you pass no Jawa Sassi with you. Where how Koomson was saying, what Hanabisu no Mubuna. How Koomson 10 Hanabisu no Mubuna. Edem Agbana na Mubunu, how Koomson 10. Some George and they born from an MP, they born from how Koomson or 10. But you see, Sadia Bane, a Banu and yet, nothing and come once and never and the best. Why not myself? I'm not saying you. I'm not saying you. You are my program. Also, one can once. Did I mention your name? What kind of bank can once? One can once. Jerry, one can once more. I'm not saying you. We molding Jerry. I said, I wouldn't want to so trim me where he and his son of your program, but I don't care. Look at over my time and found what time the end of the day. Oh, serious, because my customer are some of them can know for 10 no can. Mr. Oman can once a I didn't mention your name. No, I'm sorry. Sorry, catch it. No, I'm sorry to tree a term. What to tree a term? What you can? What's some more? Oh, you saw the word mono. No, because more. Did I? Because I wanna. Yeah. Because okay, one can once him. Now, one can once him. Now, one can once him. So what is? Ah, you can't send your senior photo because me will know defend how Koomson didn't you inside her. Where you are now defend how Koomson again. I'm
not comfortable on the program. I'll just off your microphone.
Oh, no problem. Because
that is in some you can't defend one my idea.
Me come for whom we won't defend it. I know yet.
Again,
asma making no man casampo. Me fa han was on abasa, me fa no was on the now the matter was on abasa, not to me say no the matter. How Koomson and tell Obi or Ghana. How Koomson any point tell Obi. I'm not saying so Obi Kobu Obi. Me before election when me cause stations be brave. Make more videos on moye de babontia. Me ka say me bomb pa say ma ntokwa bia the NC ho. Apart from how Koomson ho no some police station for no mugu Obi. Brenata pompo a wodina simpie so. E ka say Hanover net, Hanover tina oba ho when dey saka Brenata pompo. When they didn't saka Brenata pompo, we no MPP before. Ye na fofo ina esi edi nkomo ni. Ye na esi a ho when the bu Obi. Apart from how Koomson the Obi and no and they wo twa. Bible see the obeduan obetwa untimi ko bia kwadu enkotwa abrobe udua abrobe obetwa abrobe udua anka obetwa anka na MPP phone nim say power ensesa saa nso na NDC phone so tso enen no yenso nim say power besesa enti say eba say yemfa yie ntu yenyen kan kora yenka nche yin na ye ho say Hawa Koomson deserve better than this.